Inverted commas, W capital.
Very
After
good.
well, there is
Well.
a comma.
Yes. Well, sign of exclamation. Well, this is indeed. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, T will capital of this.
W capital. Well, sign
And-
of exclamation. This is indeed a pleasant surprise.
And ma'am, I think so T will be also capital.
Yes. What is capital?
Capital and in last
Ma'am,
there will
T.
be full
Ma'am,
stop.
T will capital of this.
I know. Then you will write the whole sentence.
Then
Surprise.
full stop.
Then inverted commas closed.
And then full stop.
Then
After said.
she said cheerfully. She said cheerfully.
Yes, ma'am.
In this way, you are going to write. Okay.
Ma'am, in 9 to H will be capital of he.
Yes. He answered
And then,
inverted commas. O capital. O.
yes, ma'am.
then
And
sign
then
of
exclamation mark.
Yes. He answered.
Ma'am, please tell the difference between double inverted comma and single inverted commas.
There is no difference. You can put. There is no problem. Okay. You can put.
Ma'am, both is correct.
Yes. You can use.
And ma'am, I think the comma should be inside the inverted commas.
Where?
Ma'am, in the
How do you
part
put the
eight-
commas? You put the commas, I think, in this way only.
Ma'am, you have put the comma before she said cheerfully, and I am saying we have to put the comma before inverted commas.
On the board, how we are putting? We are putting in this way. I think, like because it is surprise. Then how we are putting it? In this way we are putting. Same way I put. Okay. Is it
Ma'am,
clear
comma
now?
should be inside inverted comma.
You put it inside. See this. I have written on the board in this way. Okay. Avika.
No, ma'am, still I am not clear as the comma is outside the inverted comma.
It will come on the surprise up. You want to say it like this? No, it will be outer. Okay. It will be like this. He asked.
Okay,
In
ma'am.
this way. Fine. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
In this way you are going to write. Oh yes, he was a great English playwright. Oh yes,
H
then
capital.
comma. He was a great English playwright. English playwright. Playwright. In this way, I'm going to write. He answered. Okay. Mother
And
said,
ma'am,
William, do stop complaining.
Ma'am, at last full stop.
Full stop, yes. Mother said, William, do stop complaining. Do stop complaining. Then next, my God, he said, as I drew him in. What has happened?
After my God, there will be exclamatory mark.
Yes, M will be capital. My God.
M will capital and G will also be capital.
Yes, he said. My God, he said, as I drew him in. As I
Sir,
drew him
in
in.
Ma'am, in the 10th one, mother said, William, do stop complaining. So, ma'am, here exclamation mark will be there or not?
Where?
Ma'am, in 10th, mother said, William, do stop
No,
complaining.
no exclamation mark, only comma will be there.
I'm on full stop.
Yes. Full stop, so I think I have
Okay.
written. What
Yes,
has
ma'am.
happened, I
Ma'am,
asked.
my God should be inside the inverted comma.
What are you saying, Avika?
Ma'am, my God should be inside the inverted commas.
Avika, ये ऊपर आता है. This comma is up, then it is down. It is not inside or outside. Okay? We are not checking it is inside or outside. Normally it is
Ma'am, she's saying
outside.
about my God.
My
Yes.
God, I have written inverted comma
So
close.
it
But
is
should-
inside the,
mark
it
come
is inside
inside.
the inverted comma.
Outside. Outside, not inside. Outside.
Ma'am, inverted commas should start with I drew.
No,
Yes,
it will
ma'am.
not start from him. He said, as I drew him in. This is a complete sentence.
So, ma'am, the inverted comma should not be put.
He
the
said,
mark.
then you will, I think, comma will come here also. He said, as I drew him in. Okay, you are saying that this will come. My God, he said, as I drew him in.
Ma'am, we are saying that my God should not be inside the inverted commas. Inverted comma should be removed.
Inverted commas will be there
Ma'am, it must
because he is saying that he said. He said,
Ma'am, he is saying that my God.
yes. Happened now? What has
What has
happened?
happened?
You will start like
It should be
this.
inside,
Yes.
inside the inverted commas. I asked.
No, this is right, which I have written. Now, what has happened?
has
Now it is outside. I asked. Okay? Clear, Avika? What hasn't? They wiped us
Yes,
out.
ma'am.
What hasn't? They wiped us out. What hasn't? What
Ma'am,
hasn't?
whenever there is a question mark, we can't put comma.
Where?
Ma'am, in the second line of passage 1, you have put the comma, still there is a question mark.
Beta question. Avika, listen to me. When we are marking, it is a quotation. So we have to put the comma. It is
Ma'am,
coming
I
after,
have
like
said-
it is full stop, exclamation sign. These all are your marks. And after that, we are putting comma. Because we are enclosing this sentence into inverted commas. This sentence is over. Okay. Now next sentence is started. That's why I have put a comma. Clear? Whenever we are using quotation mark, we are having 3 commas. One here, and one down. You can see this is
Ma'am,
quotation mark.
Ma'am, I
Now
have
it's
seen, but
clear?
I have also studied that whenever there is a question mark, so we can't put a comma.
But exceptions are always there. In quotation mark, we are putting this comma. Okay, you can remove. Fine, I'll remove it. Now it's fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, actually, what happens? Two punctuation mark can't come.
I have removed if there is such kind of problem. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Beta.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, you have put, ma'am, you have to, ma'am, you have put in the comma at that place as ma'am. What hasn't there, ma'am? These both are different, ma'am. So we will put comma. Ma'am,
Sajal,
this one
listen.
is an
Sajal, listen. This sentence is over. What hasn't? They wiped us out. This is the full sentence. He is speaking both the sentences. What hasn't? Question mark. One sign we have used. Then we have started with that. Okay. They wiped.
Yes,
They
ma'am.
wiped us out. Clear, Sajal? We are putting two punctuation signs. One question mark. Sentence is over. Then we are putting out. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Drink some water, I said. D will be capital. Drink some water. I think this is easy. Drink some water.
It will be inside inverted comma,
Yes,
comma, I said.
I said. Okay. He
At
drank
last
it,
full
he then
stop.
sat down before the table, put his head on. He drank it. He drank it. H will be capital. He drank it, full stop. He drank it. He then sat down before the table. He then sat down before the table. He, H will be capital. Then table,
Ma'am,
Comma.
full stop will be there
comma.
after he drank it. Full stop.
What are you saying, Ananya?
Mama, I'm saying that too. After he drank it, there will be full stop or not?
After
After the sentence, he drank it.
he drank it, full stop. I have written
Okay, ma'am.
he drank it, full stop. He, then H capital. He then sat down before the table, put his head on his arms. After table, comma. Put his hands, put his arms and began to sob like a little boy. Okay. Little boy, comma. Little boy, comma. While I, with a curious, while I, comma. While I, comma. With a curious,
Ma'am, H will be capital in his arms.
where?
Ma'am, she's asking
Ma'am, same
about his
paragraph in
house.
written.
The words which are capital, I have written, I think. He. He will be capital till table, comma, till the whole sentence will be the same. He then sat down before the table, comma, put his head on his arms and began to sob like a little boy, comma, while I, comma, with a curious forgetfulness of my own recent despair, comma, stood beside him wondering, full stop.
Ma'am, is
Despair,
it compulsory to put a comma after boy as there is a conjunction while?
he is talking about, he is referring to himself, while I, that's why we have put a comma. With a curious forgetfulness, it is describing. Okay, that's why we have put a comma. While I, with a curious forgetfulness of my own recent despair, stood beside him. Despair, comma. Okay, he is describing himself. That what were the feelings of himself. That's why we have put a comma. Is it clear, Avika, now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. While I, comma, with a curious forgetfulness of my own recent despair. Despair, comma. Then wondering, full stop. I think I should rub it. You have done. All you have done. Shall I rub it? What can I rub, children?
You can rub whole blackboard. I have done.
Ma'am, you can rub whole.
Yes, ma'am, you can rub the whole blackboard.
Now next one is look. Said Lucy suddenly. What's that? Look.
Ma'am, L will be capital of look and L will be
Yes.
capital of lucky
Look.
also.
In inverted comma.
And ma'am, the sentence look see the lucky
Said
suddenly
Lucy
got
suddenly.
that in inverted commas
Said
and was that
Lucy
after what's that
suddenly.
question mark will be there.
Look, said Lucy suddenly. What's that? A stream. Shouted others, shouted the others, and tired as they were, shouted the others and tired as they were, shouted the others and tired, shouted the others and tired, shouted others tired as they were. As they were, they raised to the fresh water.